Sierra Leone offers visitors a unique landscape and scenery. There are many beautiful places to explore, especially upcountry. Exotic flora and fauna, numerous waterfalls, beautiful lakes and rivers.
Come and give me my 2,000.
We go for 10 time, we go for 10 time. Yeah, African people, we go for 10 time.
All these exciting and fascinating parts of the country are accessible by road. That makes traveling easy. Sierra Leone is also known for its hills and mountains. Protected by its remoteness, the Highland Rainforest is very pristine. Hills and forests are home to vibrant bird life. It's worth pitching a tent for a few days to enjoy relaxing, with only the sound of birds for company. The bird fauna is rich. An impressive 630 bird species are on offer. One of the most famous is the colorful blue turaco, a very rare and exotic species. There are also other animals worth seeing, for example, at the Chimps Sanctuary.
Because of other factors like habitat destruction, the bushmeat trade, exploitations, now we are talking of a population of 2,000, from 20,000 down to 2,000. That means if we don't protect our own species, then we'll be losing them.
The Chimps Sanctuary is only a 30-minute drive from Freetown and was established to rescue orphaned and captured chimps. Most live semi-wild inside large enclosures. Here, dozens of chimps are being prepared for release. From the sanctuary, you can walk through Creole villages and beautiful landscapes on the way to Charlotte Falls. Charlotte Falls is a perfect place to relax and a good spot for a swim. In the Moa River lies T.Y. Island. T.Y. Island is a beautiful reserve with good opportunities for walks in the wilderness, canoe rides, and more. You can hike on trails all over the island and see beautiful flowers and butterflies. For the lucky, TY Island offers the chance to see the rare Pygmy Hippo. These hippos are only found in Sierra Leone and Liberia. Watching them in their natural environment is a special experience to remember. A visit to Sierra Leone will create an impression you will never forget. Today, 6 years after the Civil War, Sierra Leone is a stable and safe democracy. One of West Africa's safest destinations to spend great holidays with fantastic beaches, beautiful nature, and great heritage sites. Sierra Leone is perfect for those who like the freedom to explore something really new.